Can house cleaning count as exercise? Today we're going to be talking about whether or not house cleaning can count as exercise. It's a topic that many of us may not have considered before, but it's an interesting question. So let's dive into the details. So can house cleaning count as exercise? The short answer is yes. Here are some reasons why. 1. It gets your heart rate up. Activities like vacuuming, mopping, and scrubbing require physical exertion, which can get your heart rate up and provide a cardiovascular workout. 2. It engages multiple muscle groups. Cleaning involves using different muscle groups, such as your arms, legs, and core, which can help build strength and endurance. 3. It burns calories. Cleaning can burn a surprising amount of calories, depending on the intensity and duration of the activity. 4. It promotes flexibility. Bending, reaching, and stretching while cleaning can improve flexibility and range of motion. 5. It can improve mood. Engaging in physical activity like cleaning can release endorphins, which can improve your mood and reduce stress. 6. It can be a functional workout. Unlike some exercises that may not have practical benefits, cleaning has the added benefit of making your home a cleaner and more organized space. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, house cleaning can definitely count as exercise. While it may not be a substitute for a dedicated workout routine, incorporating cleaning into your daily routine can provide some physical benefits. Just remember to pace yourself, take breaks, and use proper form to prevent injury. And as always, consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise routine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.